Hi, in the previous tutorial on creating navbar that changes itself into a hamburger menu, the result is as shown on the screen now as per what you see here. So when you click on this hamburger menu, the navigation items will be shown on the screen, and when you click it one more time, you'll be hidden. And when you view this page on a larger device or larger screen, the navigation items will be expanded like what you see here. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how do you actually customize the design or the look of this hamburger menu. There are two CSS classes involved here, and they are navbar-toggler-icon and navbar-toggler. You can find them in the bootstrap.css file. So I will show you where you can see it. It's inside of the file called bootstrap.css. Okay, although we are usually using bootstrap.min for our page, I would like to show you what you have in this what we call bootstrap.css file, because the content of this file has not been compressed, so it will be easier for you to see to learn the way that I did the effect. So now we are looking for something called navbar-toggler-icon. So this is the CSS style provided by Bootstrap on styling how the icons or the icon or the look, the content of that what we call hamburger menu look like. I'm talking about the tray bar icon. So what we can do now is that we can copy this one and go into our own CSS file and then add it in here. But now I'm interested in changing the look of the what we call hamburger menu tray bar. The rest of this I'm not going to change it. So what I can do is that I just remove this field. I only use the one that I want. So over here, maybe I will change it to another what you call image. So how do I get the image? Actually, there's one website that is quite popular where you can find a lot of icons, and it is called Icon Finder. And the website link is www.iconfinder.com. This is how the website looks like. So what I can do now is that I just go to search for a particular hamburger menu that I want. Maybe I get the free version menu here. Okay, let's say I would like to have this type of menu. So what I can do is that if I do not like this color, I would like to change it to my own color. I can always click here, open in icon editor. So what happened here is that you can customize how it look like. and you select the bar, let's say okay, and I would like to change this color to, let's say okay, let me see, maybe I want it to be this type of blue, and I press OK. And after that, what you can do is that you just download the icon. And usually I will use SVG. If you would like to make it into PNG, it's up to you. Once I have done saving the icon to my page, I will go back to my web page editor here and look for my icon that I have saved. I have saved the icon here with the name called navbar-icon.svg. The reason why I use SVG here is because I can always change the color of the strokes over here anytime I want. So let's go back to the CSS file and change the style for navbar-toggler-icon. So now, since I'm using an image, what I will do is that I will change it to background-image and look for the location of the image and save. But there's one more thing I have forgotten here, is that I have to add in this code. This is to override the default style set for navbar-toggler-icon. Then only I can save and preview my page. This is how the page will look like. Let me show you. Now you have a new icon here. Let's continue to customize the other class, which is called navbar-toggler. Again, you can also find it in this Bootstrap file. This is the one. So what I do now, I just copy it over first. Then later on we can remove whatever that we don't need. So over here, what I will do is that I will just want to have a different color for the border. The rest of things, it will still remain. And so what I will do is that I will just remove things that I do not want to change. Maybe I will remove the padding now, because I'm going to use the default padding. But then now I think maybe I just have all the padding for this particular navbar-toggler to be the same, and I will change the what you call border color to some other color here. Maybe I will do black, and then the border, maybe I make it a bit thicker. And for border radius, okay, instead of a rectangular border, I want to have what you call a circle. So what I can do is that, you know that in order for us to create a circle, we have to use border radius 50% and make sure the width and height will be the same. So maybe I try 50 pixel by 50 pixel. You may use other value if you want. And again, maybe I will try to force it to use this instead of the default style. And save my file. So now this is how the new hamburger menu will look like. So we have done on this. That's all for this tutorial.